Hello everyone, Sister Josephine is here with you once more today to deal with class 9 and 10 English 2. Merchant of Venice. In the previous class, we studied about the characters in Merchant of Venice and also summary of Merchant of Venice. Today we are going to deal with Act 1, Scene 1 and its summary. Before we begin, let us know something about the city of Venice. Venice, the capital of northern Italy's Veneto region, is built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea. It has no roads, just canals as we see here. The city of Venice is also known as City of Water, City of Masts, City of Bridges, the Floating City, and the City of Canals. Venice is steeped in art, culture, and history. It is a powerful city of naval trade and business. This is something about the city of Venice. Let's come to the Act 1, Scene 1 and its summary. Let's learn first the summary, then we shall go to the scene. Here, Antonio is speaking to his friends Salarino and Salanio. He explains that a sadness has come over him and his friends suggest that the sadness could be due to his worry about his commercial ventures. He has ships at sea with merchandise in them and they could be vulnerable, which means the ships that are with a lot of precious things in the sea could be vulnerable, which means it could meet with danger at any time. Antonio says he is not worried about his ships because his goods are spread between them. If one went down, he could still have the others, which means his whole business was not in one ship. He had many ships in different directions they were sent, so even if one goes off, the others would be there. His friends suggest that he must be in love, but Antonio denies that. Bassanio, Lorenzo, and Graciano arrive as Salarino and Salanio leave. Graciano tries to cheer up Antonio but fails. He tells Antonio that men who try to be melancholy in order to be perceived act as wise are deceived. Bassanio complains that Graciano has nothing to say but will not stop talking, as he quotes telling that Graciano speaks an indefinite deal of nothing, as we had seen in the characters of Graciano that he talks too much. He's a very talkative person in the play. Antonio asks Bassanio to tell him about the woman he has fallen in love. Bassanio first acknowledges that he has borrowed a lot of money from Antonio over the years and promises to clear his debts. Bassanio tells about Portia, the heiress of Belmont. He wants to try to compete with the other suitors to win her hand but needs money to go there. Antonio tells him that all his money is tied up in his business and cannot lend him, but he will become the guarantor for any loan that he takes. So this is what in the scene 1 we see. This is just the summary of the scene 1. In the next class, we shall see the Act 1, Scene 1 and its explanation. Stay healthy and learn easily. Thank you.